Model, 2015 Ford Transit 2.2TDCi 125PS 350 L3H3 rear-wheel drive, ready-to-go bargain roof rack open mouth smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 101,351. MOT, 19 May 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2-125PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine, van drives completely but sometimes EML light will come on due to turbo actuator which will need replacing shortly. Starstruck can be used as a normal van for now. Drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows.